install this boho crochet hair with me, you guys. I'm so excited about this. So this is 100% human hair. Look how beautiful it looks, and it also is reusable. So this is the seamless crochet hair. As you guys can see, there's hair on each side, but then it has that strand in the middle, which is going to give you a really flat crochet install. So you guys, this hair is from Boho Locks. That is a black owned company, so I'm really excited to install this product. I'm just going to start with just kind of braiding down my natural hair to give me a little bit of base to crochet this hair on. I would recommend between 6 to 9 braids in the front, but of course do it to your liking. This is just the easiest way that I have found to make the hair look the most natural. So this is how the final result of the braid down looks, you guys. And I know a lot of you guys ask me about the back. So with the back, you can braid it however you want, but I always use a crochet cap. And you see those holes? It makes it super easy for the hair to crochet through it without damaging your natural hair. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this hair. Of course, you will need the hair and a crochet hook to install it. Now, this is going to be one of the most seamless and invisible knotted crochet looks you have ever seen. Okay, so I'm just starting from the very bottom, the root of my neck, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull them through. Now, it's very important, you guys, that you make sure when you are pulling it through that the strands are even here. You want to make sure you have, see right there, that string part even so that your hair ends up coming out evenly here. Okay, very important step. So y'all, this hair was so soft to install. This is just one pack. So I believe this was about 3 packs. And you guys, I just did the same thing over and over. Just installed it, move up, installed, move up. And do y'all see how full it looks already? So we're going to go ahead and start installing the front. And by the way, y'all, I used 5 packs total for this style. Look at us. We are on the 5th pack. Every time you guys have seen a pack in this video, that means I'm adding in a new pack of hair here. Okay, so we are finally at the top. And do y'all see how gorgeous these curls look already? Y'all, this is no product. This is no water. This is just beautiful curls, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm literally in love with the texture. But let's add some water here. Okay, so I recommend this sort of brush. This is really good for curly hair, whether it's weave, whether it is your natural hair. This really helps to define the curls and also detangle the hair here. And if you want to, you can add a little bit of mousse in there, but I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks when it's wet over here to the left side versus when it's dry over here to the right side. So y'all, in the middle of this video, I just decided I just wanted to go hop in the shower, take a shower, and actually wet my entire head. So y'all, I just sat under the shower and got my hair wet. And I feel like I got out of the shower with new hair, okay? This is my hair. You cannot convince me otherwise. So look at how well the hair is just like brushing through. When I have great curly hair, this is what I want to do all day, is just like brush it, y'all. It's beautiful. So now I'm just going to go ahead and just slick down my edges just a little bit, add on that final touch. I've already did my makeup. And y'all, this is the final result. I hope y'all like it as much as I do. I think that the hair was absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to rate this hair a 10 out of 10. Honestly, if you guys did not see me install it, you would probably think that this is my natural hair. Y'all, it's super lightweight. It smelled good. The curls are so juicy and gorgeous. I don't know if I'm ever going to want to take this hairstyle out. It just looks so natural. So this is definitely some hair that you can just kind of wet, brush through it, and be out the door. Very easy to maintain as well. All you have to do at nighttime is just detangle it and just put it in 2 twists and then unravel it in the morning time, you guys. So even the front looks very natural to me. You can flip it over to either side, and I want to show y'all how easy it is to style the hair. So this is a half up, half down. Again, it's very seamless. The base is super duper flat. So when I tell y'all it's so much versatility with this style, with this hair, now you guys are just kind of seeing me put it in like a top bun, okay? I absolutely love it. It's just natural. It's just glamorous. It just gives such a vibe. This is truly one of those hairstyles where the styling is unlimited. Y'all, I installed this hair in under 2 hours, so that is the best part, and it's going to stay in for probably 2 months because I love how it looks. Again, this is a black-owned company. This product is available now. Y'all check out the details below. Bye.